Hi guys, it's me, Diane. We've missed you a lot during this pandemic and not being able to do our cooking classes. So I've been asked to do one video for each week that we're missing from here on out. Just doing something that we might do in the class. So today, me and my daughter Kira are going to be making sausage and egg and cheese sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches. Kind of like what you would get from McDonald's if you ordered a sausage McMuffin. Okay, so today Kira is our cook, and I will walk her through. We've already started some of the steps just to make things a little shorter for us. So today, as I said, we're making sausage and egg McMuffins or sandwiches. And we have started by throwing the sausage in the pan. Kira, you want to turn that pan up for me? The stove on. Turn it to about 6, so about medium. And then these are, as you can see, there are hamburger-sized sausages. They're kind of in bad lighting. My lighting in my house is awful, so you'll have to excuse that. But they are big sausages that they would fit on a bun or the English muffin. You can get these in the freezer section at Walmart. They're not as tasty as fresh ones, but they fit the sandwich size, and the other ones are really tiny. So these are the ones that I use for breakfast sandwiches. So Kira has our pan going, and it's getting hot already. So Kira, here is a fork, and Kira has already cracked an egg for us into this bowl, and so she is going to scramble that egg for us. I want you to scramble the egg first, and then you can throw that fork into the sink. Yep, just scramble it. Mix it all in really good. Add a little salt and pepper for it. Give it some flavor. Great. Throw that right into the sink. There's some salt, a little bit more. There you go. And some pepper. Good job. Oh, here you go. You can. Why don't you use this fork here to flip your patty over? So since this is a pre-cooked frozen patty, it will not take long to cook. You just basically, mine were in the freezer, so they're frozen. So you're defrosting it and just kind of heating it through. Yep. So when it's nice and golden brown on both sides, which won't take long.
This is more brown than golden.
Well, it kind of starts out already golden brown. All right, Kira, let's check that other side of that patty. Perfect. Now, why don't we put it on this pan, right here. Awesome. Now, let's turn your heat down just a little bit because eggs cook faster than the sausage. So turn it, about 3 or 4. There you go. Now, scramble up those, let's take the pan off the heat for just a minute. Let it cool down a little bit. And you want to mix that sausage or that salt and pepper into your egg. So keep scrambling it. There you go. Perfect. Now it looks like our pan has cooled down just a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour it. Okay, go ahead and pour it. I'm going to keep the pan off the heat for just a minute. Then the egg is going to spread out. Then as it cooks, we're going to let it cook in like one layer. So as it cooks, we're just going to kind of take the layer and flip it like a pancake. And then we're going to fold it in fold it in half and fold it in half again.
So kind of
like a quarter, like a triangle.
Like an omelet.
Right, kind of like an omelet.
An omelet that's folded.
So here is this. So you can put that right in the sink now, Kira. Now you're going to take that and flip it like a pancake. It doesn't take much. Eggs are very, very fast cooking.
But you of all people know I can't flip pancakes.
You're going to do the best. Perfect. Okay, now take it and fold it in half. You can take it right off the heat. There you go. And fold it in half again. It doesn't want to stay. It looks like an egg roll. Perfect. Now take it and set it over there in that burner over there. No, the whole pan. There you go. Perfect. All right, now let's leave that egg right there for just a second and get to our. We have one more English muffin. I do prefer this brand because I feel like it tastes better, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to use. So Kira is going to take this English muffin and she's going to cut it in half.
Oh, you pointed it right at me. Like, Mom, it was like right.
Here, do you want me to help you with it?
Yes, please.
Okay, you carry this. There you go. Don't aim it at my kitchen sink. Okay, these are very hard.
They're not supposed to be like this.
No, these have been sitting out for a little while.
So be careful.
Okay, so now we're going to put it in the toaster and toast them down. So in a few minutes when the toaster pops up, we will put some butter on it. And then Carol, would you please get us a piece of cheese out of the refrigerator? Cheese. And we will put this cheese, actually it's really best to put this cheese on your sausage patty here. On your sausage patty when your sausage patty is still in the oven or on the stovetop, so it melts right down to it. But I do it this way because some of my family doesn't like cheese. So they take the cheese off. So just take that cheese and throw it right on the sausage. Good job. Right here. While you're throwing things away, you can throw this away too. Thank you, ma'am. So now we're just waiting for the English muffin to toast. Always the entertainer in our house.
Yes.
Look at that. Perfect timing. So now, Kira, take the English muffin and put some butter on it.
How much?
Just enough to cover the English muffin.
Oh yeah, that's not enough.
Okay, now get the other side out of the toaster. Be careful because it's hot. Okay, we're back. Let's cut the video. I accidentally dropped my phone. So Kira is still
buttering
the English muffins. All right, now take your spatula and take your sausage with the cheese on it and put it on one of the sides of the English muffin. Now go find your egg in the stove over there. And put that on top of the sausage and cheese. Perfect. Now put the other part of the English muffin on. And hold it up for us to all see. Look how wonderful that looks. Let's move into the better light. Oh. We have such bad lighting in our house. See how wonderful that looks? All right, guys, enjoy your day, and we'll make another video for next week. Bye.